We spend more time than ever before looking at screens, from social media to increasing hours and maybe months working from home to online banking and entertainment. And although it all seems to exist in the ether, it does have a physical presence right before our eyes every day, and our digital space does need decluttering and organizing just as much as our physical one does. So here's my 10-step digital declutter. The most prominent digital space for me is my laptop. I work on it the most and it is full of crap. First step is to start by clearing out my desktop. Are you, like me, a serial drag and dropper? Do you have screenshots from a Zoom presentation in 2020? Trash it. Another place where things build up for me is in the downloads folder, because I often download things for videos but then put them into a hard drive. But moving it into an external hard drive doesn't delete the file, it just copies it, therefore leaving clutter and disorganization and things that will never be touched again in my downloads. Trash them. If there are other areas of files in your life that you know just need clearing out, maybe your Google Drive perhaps, then get to clearing, trash it all, and then empty the trash. Precious gigabytes returned. Let's move into emails, which is a tricky one for me. Unsubscribe from anything that does not add value. You might have purchased things in the run up to Christmas, gifts for other people, and unknowingly found yourselves on the mailing list for brands and products that you don't even use. Are you sick of Naomi from Bolt? Unsubscribe. Well, in fact, delete the app, but we'll get to that in a bit. As you move through the emails, organize your inbox. Maybe unsubscribing from ASOS isn't in your best shopping interests, but you don't want to be bombarded with the emails and have them clutter up your inbox all the time. Create labels and filters so that certain email senders either skip your inbox, get marked as read, or move all your Amazon receipts into one neat folder. For a retailer you shop at regularly, ASOS, create a folder and let them skip the inbox so that you're not bombarded with sale, 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 sale all the time. And when you choose to shop, you can just check the most recent few emails to see if there was a discount code or an offer there. If it makes sense for you to do, read all your emails. Get to inbox 0. For me, I have many different email addresses with many different purposes, and my personal kind of just general one is the one that gets neglected the most. There is nothing more pleasing than opening my phone and not seeing 780 in a red dot above Gmail. But to be honest, that just fits in with the rest of the chaos that's on my phone. Delete any apps that you do not use or that do not add value. Find a way that works for you. I've seen some people recommend a kind of KonMari method, which is to take all of the apps out of their folders just to kind of overwhelm yourself with just how many you have, and then delete and regroup. Organize your home screen and your app pages. I haven't got into the whole custom widget thing, but I do have the Google Calendar wide widget on my home screen so I can see my current event and my next event, and I also have my Apple Watch activity. If you are an iPhone user, the remove from home screen function is honestly one of the best things I've discovered in recent years. For apps that you want but don't need in your face to either distract you or to remind you that they exist, I'm looking at you, Deliveroo, then remove them from your home screen. I'm booting all my travel apps off my home screen, as doesn't look like we'll be going anywhere for a while again, but when I do go out, if I need City Mapper in a rush, I don't want the faff of having to download it on the go. If you find your phone a distraction when you're working, then moving your apps around regularly can help disrupt the muscle memory of your thumb just opening Instagram on its own. Clear out your screenshots. Just like your desktop, your screenshots folder can be a usable space. I screenshot a lot of memes, but I also screenshot books I see people reading, and then I never see the screenshot ever again, and on the off chance that I remember that I took it in the first place, I can't find it. Set up your iPhone focus and screen time. iPhone focus is incredible. It's kind of new, and it basically allows you to have a different notification pattern based on anything you like. I've set one up for fitness so that anytime I start an activity on my Apple Watch, it basically mutes everything apart from if my parents or my boyfriend call me. So in previous iterations of time allowances, you could use favorites as like a measure of yes or no, but now you can set up a profile for literally anything you like. So now I can set up a work profile that allows the apps I use for work to notify me, or a reading profile that is triggered automatically when you open the Kindle app. It works across all your Apple devices, so if you find any of those notifications distracting, then declutter them by not allowing them to exist in the first place. When it comes to social media, unfollow shops, celebrities, old friends, literally anything that doesn't align with your goals or add value. On the flip side, follow some pages, declutter and refresh your feed. Get new ideas, follow new people, make new friends. Change your background on your phone. Maybe you want a quote or a reminder to get off your phone. Something bright and clear for your home screen is great if you're somebody who does have to be bombarded with notifications, just so that you can see them. Or a picture of yourself, which by the way is completely okay, and get rid of anybody who tries to shame you for loving yourself. Let's chat in the comments about the worst app for notifications, because let's face it, it's WhatsApp. It's WhatsApp. I just cannot with WhatsApp. Check out these videos for more productivity and organization tools. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.